Hey guys, what up? Zach here, aka The Unusual Geek. I'm back with another video. This time it's about the Jabra. You can see it here, the Jabra Elite 65T wireless earbuds. Okay, so got this for a little while. I haven't touched them, to be honest with you, but I would love to share with you if you guys consider this this model here, if you're into fitness or if you're into running and like a true wireless experience basically, and one top-notch sound quality. I always recommend this brand. This is one of my favorite brands out there. So without further ado, we're gonna do an unboxing real quick. That way you can see what's in the package. Alright, so here we go. Let's take the knife. Favorite knife out here. Boom. Boom. See that? Alright, sweet. Tell you what, I am gonna try to be as civil as possible with the box. I am known for not keeping the box together. I always tell. So, there you go. So, okay, here we go. A little strap here, see? Ooh, of course I did it the opposite way. Ooh, messed up the presentation right here. Here we go. So, nothing here. Alright, so we'll do, so here are the earbuds right here. If you're familiar with these look a little bit better, nicely made than the older generation that Jabra had. Not bad. Just looks nicely made. Anyway, so it says welcome to a superior sound. That is pretty awesome. I like that. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is the case. This is where you're gonna be charging. I believe you're gonna be charging the headphones. See, yep, that's what I thought. This usually will drop in your backpack or messenger bag and take it with you wherever you go. It looks like you can actually charge this. There's probably a battery here inside that you could charge, and you know, it'll give you a little juice in case you need it. Micro USB drive port. I'm sorry. So you charge it. Okay, so we'll go see what's here. Let's see. Real quick. Nothing here. Let's go. There you go. Alright, so it's a quick starter guide, or a guide basically. I don't know about you. I never use them. To be honest with you, I do never use them. But for those of you who like to read documents like these before you start using a you know, piece of electronic, whatever, I mean, you could use this. All right, so there are some fittings for, depending on how big your ear hole is. All right, this is a cable where you charge this particular case. So you can either plug it to your laptop, or if you have one of those little USB brick. Alright, I can't even put this thing. Alright, it's right here. So the way they fit is you put this up. Let's take this one. Alright, so there. This is how it works. You just put it in here, and these little, okay, I guess I got it the wrong way. Let's see. Alright, so just like that. It's pretty cool. Actually, it looks really nicely made. Quality right here. Look at that. Really, really nice. So, going back to the specs of these headphones. It says up to 5 hours of battery, 15 hours with charging case. They have 4 microphones. That's crazy. So in case you wanna if you you know, if you got a call or something like that. I mean, 4 microphones, that's pretty good. 2-year dust and water resistance warranty. You can customize your music, proven wireless connection, and voice assistant enabled. Basically, this means if you use an assistant like Google Assistant, for example, this is made to work with it. So I think it's a cool thing. You can also download the app here for Jabra on the Google Store. I'd say I'm gonna give them a try, and I'll report back with my thoughts in a couple days. Okay, until the next video, this was the unboxing of the Jabra Elite 65T. This is Zach, aka the Unusual Geek, and I'll be back. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.